Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to try some lashes, y'all. I got some lashes, and they are like the cluster bunches or whatever, and they're like the permanent ones at home. So these lashes are by Lilac Street. I don't fucking know. I think we're gonna use these ones because they're nice and wispy. I'll show you a close-up in a second. These ones are much fuller. I'm not sure if I'm gonna mix them. I don't know yet. Anyways, these are the permanent lash extensions. I am also a huge ass fan of the DIY moment. I totally believe in doing everything your damn self. I don't know why I question the way that I say everything, but I'm pretty sure I mispronounced every name. But Lilac Street was super freaking kind to send me a little kit. They actually sent 3 sets of lashes, but I used one of the sets with regular glue because I needed them for a look, and then I lost them. In the package there is a lash glue. This is the Pro Lash Glue, and it's black. And then this is the lash glue remover. When you're ready to take your lashes off, make sure you use the remover to properly remove them, or your lashes is gonna fall out. And then this is, what is this? This is the Lilac Lash Crystal Coat. So this is the sealant that you're going to use after you apply your lashes to seal the glue and to make sure everything stays for, you know, the time being. I have done professional lash extensions. They irritate my contacts. So I'm normally a lash strip wearer, but sometimes I don't wear lashes at all. It just kind of depends. I tend to really like big lashes, and I like to be able to take them off and change them. So I don't tend to use a glue that lasts more than like a day. Okay, so it also comes with a lash conditioning primer, which is gonna help your lashes adhere effectively. This is a little this is one of them little things that you can put your lashes on. I can't think of the name of what the fuck this is called. Like, look at how cute. How cute is this? OMG. So it's sticky as fuck. It's like on both sides. I mean, why is it so sticky? You stick it to your table or to your mirror, and then you stick your lashes to it. You can work off of it. I think this is super weird though. I'm gonna start with the conditioning primer, y'all. It's like a little glue bottle. This removes residual oil and protein deposits to improve glue adhesion and extended lash wear. It also nourishes and conditions your lashes. Okay, that's pretty self-explanatory. Look, the only thing I'm about to tell you right now is that this shit better not burn. It better not burn my fucking eye. Because if it does, I'm going to be livid. It says to soak a cotton pad, but I feel like putting a cotton, so I'm gonna use like a Q-tip. It says let it dry completely before trying to glue stuff on. So I'm gonna put my lashes up on my weird little fucking sticky pad and then come back to you. So the lashes I'm gonna use are in Prism. They're called Prism. They're 16 millimeters, which to me, they look bigger than that though. You've probably seen this in previous videos of mine because I got this package a while ago. It came in like, this is like a travel case, so you can see the brand's names on it. I use it for my clips because it made more sense for me to use it for my clips, but this is the cutest thing. Like, it's like a little suitcase. Also came with a little poker tweezer thing. Oh. I judged a book by its cover with these. When I saw it, I was like, hell no, that's fucking weird. And now look at us now, we're bonding. This is the clear coat that we use after. This is the Pro Glue. So we're gonna use the Pro Glue, and we're gonna use that now. So, okay, so this is the glue. Comes in like a very small, tiny skinny thing. You're just gonna apply it to your eye like mascara. I just start applying lashes. Oh, that went on strangely easy. I don't like it. I gotta keep going. I just gotta keep going. This is why I don't do these stupid individual posts. Okay. Alright, it's not bad. I do feel like I need to add a little bit of underneath here. Bro, these are not cute. This is not it for me. I'm literally taking off these dark ones because I don't like them. This is turning out to be really difficult for me. I'm not gonna lie. And kind of annoying. So I did not like that other hair. It's like they didn't blend well. So I'm reapplying just the wispy ones and I'm hoping that they look kind of good. That's not bad. That was just like, I feel like crying. Like that was not, I feel like I need like an emotional support animal now because that was not what I was expecting this to turn out to be. This was a little challenging. I don't know, I guess lashes just is not my thing. I'm going to do the other side off camera because I gotta go film a reel with it and I'm gonna come back and seal everything for y'all, okay? Okay, I did the other eye. That one was harder than the first eye. I've gotta say, they look cute and they feel secure. We're gonna seal it. This is the sealant and it just makes it so that it all stays and it's not sticky and yeah, let's get it popping. Okay, so they're sealed. I can feel this side, which is annoying. They're sealed, they look pretty cute. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and get back. I don't know if I like these, I'm not gonna lie. Like they look cute, but I don't know if I like this whole process. Like, seems too much. Okay, I'm back. I did the rest of my makeup. We looking fire. As far as these lashes go, it's like they're cute, they're pretty. We'll see how long they stay. I thought putting them on was actually really fucking annoying. I know it's supposed to be easy, like to do it at home, but like I thought it was hella annoying. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And go check out my last video. Okay, I'll see you next time. Deuces.